everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Python in 5 minutes day series. Today we'll learn what variables are in Python and how to use them in real code. Let's go! What is a variable? A variable is like a container that holds information for us to use later. For example, if you want to store your name or age, use a variable. Let's add some code and see how it works. Let's open our VS Code. Let's open our file folder. There's our learn folder here. Then let's create a file variable. With string value. Let's name it Mo. But Mo is my cat. And then another variable with integer value. Each. Okay. Let's print it now. Mo is printed here, the string value. Okay, so here name is a variable holding the text Mo and each is holding the number 2. When you use print name, Python shows what's inside each variable. Now if I print the variable that contains the integer value, we'll get the integer as well. See? Variables can store different types of data. The most common ones are string, like this one. I'm going to comment it here. Yes. Variable was string value. This variable holds integer value. Okay, these are actually command which we won't see in our terminal, but these are to understand the code in a better way. Okay, variables can store different types of data. The most common ones are string, this one, integer, this one, float, and Boolean, which we'll learn in later. Then, so variables store data. We give them a name, an equal sign, and a value. Python understands what type of data it is by itself. You don't need to tell it. Actually, we use variables to reuse data easily throughout our code. If you understood variables, comment variables down below. In the next video, we'll learn how to take input from the user in Python. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. You can put any other variable here, like another name, XYZ. XYZ equals 34. Print. The result will come as expected. Well, make sure to declare the string value with this one, otherwise there will be a problem.